In this video, we're going to mirror or flip a clip horizontally, which means the video will be reversed left to right, just like a mirror. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a clip placed on the timeline and select the clip. Now go to the FX panel. At the top of the FX panel, you'll see a search box. Click inside the search box and type flip. Once you type flip, you'll see an effect called horizontal flip. Simply drag and drop the horizontal flip effect onto your clip in the timeline. The moment you apply it, the clip will be flipped horizontally, reversing the left and right sides of the video. There are no extra settings needed. If you want to remove the flip later, just delete the effect from the clip. This method is clean, fast, and perfect for beginners. And that's it. You now know how to mirror or flip clips horizontally in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.